Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn directly from your phone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to find LinkedIn from your phone and open it. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the jobs icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to the LinkedIn's job search page where you will find job recommendation based on your profile and preferences. In the job section, you will see a search bar which is at the top of the screen. Type in the job title, company, or any keywords related to the type of role you're looking for. Once you have entered your search terms, tap on the filter option which is located on the left hand side of the option saying jobs. Here you can filter jobs by location, job type, experience level, company, and more. Once you have set all your filters, tap Show Results to view the relevant job listings. Now scroll to the list of jobs and select a position that interests you. Tapping on a job will open its description page where you can read about the role's responsibilities, requirements, and other details. If you see Easy Apply, this means you can apply directly through your LinkedIn profile, and it only takes a few taps. For jobs without Easy Apply, tapping the apply button will redirect you to the company's website where you may need to complete a full application on the platform. And once you have applied, you can keep the track of your applications by going back to the jobs section and tap on My Jobs. Here you will see the list of all the jobs you have applied for. And that's it. You now know how to search for and apply for jobs on LinkedIn. If this video helped out, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and good luck with your job search.